We checking out the Kart right now because he said it's not starting. So I found the problem while my camera was charging and he wasn't getting gas because apparently the float was either stuck or something. I don't know, but it wasn't letting no gas go in there. But we got it unstuck, and I guess let's just. The first one back installed. Now we can see some gas coming through. Now we gonna stop the flow. And we're gonna tighten up our overflow or drain, whatever y'all wanna call it. And now we're about to fill up the bowl and we should be good. Let's reset his idle. And the cart should actually just start. Y'all, I like this little thing he did. This little thing right here, if you hit it down, it turns it off. And pull it back up. Yeah, that's kind of neat what he did right there. He has a, if y'all can see, he has a zip tie in that wood stick, and all you gotta do is reach behind you while you in the cart and you could turn it off like that. All right, choke on. Ignition turned on. Nothing else needs to be checked. Everything should be good. So we in neutral, and it's good to see if we can idle. Alright. Now we could probably put the choke down. There you go. Raise it up a little bit more. And we should be good now. Probably put the choke on there. Take it off now. Yeah, see, the thing with these juggernauts, they like a higher idle. Raise it up a little more. It's trying, but yeah. Let me see. Yeah, that idle. Let me see. It needs to be higher. Sheesh. Wow. There we go. Yeah, this thing. We about to move on to the bike, man. He said he switched the throttle, did something with the throttle, wasn't working. So first we're gonna attack the actual housing of it, and then we'll tackle why the bike won't start. It's got gas in there, so we're gonna see why he has this problem. But yeah, the Ghost is back good. Reverse is good. It's like a car. It's like a little car. It's fun. Kickstand throttle issue, and he said it just wouldn't even start. So we gonna see what's up with the hover hot. Yeah. All right. And yeah. The throttle was never even. And yeah, like I guessed right. That little piece that is supposed to go along the groove is not present. So yeah, so we have a working throttle now, but that piece that went along right there is missing. And let's see if I have one laying around. There we go. Just leave that right there. But yeah, guys, this is what we needed. He probably thought he ain't needed or nothing, so we probably just threw it away or whatever. But we gonna put that piece inside so he can have a nice smooth throttle again. And we'll adjust the tension as we go. This governor spring and the throttle spring is literally like not even connected to anything. And I'm seeing this like they was definitely trying to like, yeah, it's not even, what's up? It's not even connected to anything, and it doesn't activate anything. Why did they mess with the governor? Because it's supposed to return, isn't it? But it doesn't return, or it's supposed to, yeah, and it seems like it's supposed to be connected to here. Oh yeah, the spark plug was loose. How loose though? It wasn't that loose, but you can tighten it a little bit and see what that does. But let's see if that does anything. But still, the governor spring is not intact, so. Gov spring is not intact. Whoa. Okay. Okay. I bet you it don't even rev though. Like, y'all, I don't think it revs anything. But it cuts on. It cuts on. And that chain is excruciatingly loose. But we got it on. Let's see. Hold on. Let's see something real quick. So it's this way. Why? It's supposed to turn on this way, but it turns on like this. Is actually crazy because it's. I don't know how it's reversed, but maybe because I don't know. Hold up. What the fuck? Bro, what the? Gang. Yeah. Bro, what? Bro. Yeah. What just happened, bro? And it was trying to go, like, why? You wanna know why? Because there's no goddamn spring on the governor arm. I'm not about to, like, yo, I turn it on again. Do the brakes work? All right, brakes work. Yo. Oh. Watch this. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah. Throttle don't work at all. Yep. So we found his problem out. That blooper was funny, but we found a problem out. That arm was supposed to still be intact with the little spring that they had connected to that throttle mechanism. And yeah, we just need a new spring for that little governor linkage, 100cc gov linkage kit or whatever. Get a new spring on there so we can actually get the throttle back functional, because throttle is not existent right now, all because whoever was tinkering around with the springs and all of that to fix the throttle or whatever, they bent up the spring that connects to the governor and the throttle linkage. So therefore, you got a bike that starts, turns on, but you got to control the throttle from the dang governor linkage, which is not ideal. So I will let him know that, and he will need to order some springs, a spring kit, and we can get a spring on here, and his throttle should be working. Everything, yeah, the bike actually sounded good once it was on and everything, so he should be good. He should be good. We got it figured out on why the bike wasn't trying to start. And yeah, I knew it was that governor linkage and all that, because with these, you got to make sure them, if you still have a governor, that governor needs to be intact. But yeah, until the next one, y'all stay tuned. I might go on a ride today later on. So yeah, I might throw on this chain for the Yosma. We got a fresh new chain, OEM, not OEM, but just a fresh chain. You know, I've been running that chain for a little minute, and that's probably why it's loud too. I got a loud Yosma strictly because I don't do chain maintenance. I just ride. I mean I haven't. It looked like you don't even have to adjust the tension, bro. The tension is fine. It's just it's real dirty, and the rollers It got rust all in it. I'm pretty sure. I mean, it's a cool chain. Pretty sure it's a, you know, you wash it up, lube it up, and it will be back. But me, I'm the type to kind of just put a whole new chain on there. I kind of don't even feel like going through all the this and that because, yeah, I do the hands-on work anyway, so I wouldn't mind just throwing a whole new chain on there, but whatever. Y'all stay tuned though, man. Throw the camera on the charger, and yeah.